Alexa, McKella, Sanford. The day is finally here that I have prayed and dreamed of for a very long time. From the first day I met you, I knew that you were a very special person, someone who I felt like could be my best friend and future wife one day. Now I stand here before you, so honored and blessed to be able to call you my wife.
When Dylan came into my life, we began to pray for you together every night when I tucked him into bed. Though we didn't know anything about you or even your name, and you didn't know us, you were so real to us, and we prayed for you. We prayed for your strength as you walked through difficulties in your life. We prayed for your patience as you waited for us. We prayed for your help. We prayed for your relationship with God to grow stronger with each passing day. And most importantly, we prayed that God would prepare your heart to love us, as He prepared ours to love you.
You're the most beautiful person I have ever met inside and out. You're my best friend, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life. Oh my gosh. You look gorgeous.
You look so handsome. Oh my gosh, you look so good.
Alexa, I vow to love you as Christ loved the church. I vow to serve you and always be there for you through sickness and health, the good days and the bad, and to be the godly husband I was called to be. I promise to be faithful, honest, respectful, and kind. Thank you for being my person, my love, and my best friend. I am honored to walk through this life with you and see where our journey takes us. I love you with all my heart and can't wait to be your husband.
That is so sweet. I love you so much.
I love you.
I, Grayson,
I, Grayson,
take thee, Alexa,
take thee, Alexa,
to be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wedded wife.
I, Alexa,
Hi, Alexa.
take thee, Grayson,
Take thee, Grayson,
to be my lawful wedded husband.
to be my lawful wedded husband.
Entreat me not to leave you,
Entreat me not to leave you,
or to return from following you.
or to return from following you.
For where you go, I will go,
For where you go, I will go,
and where you lodge, I will lodge.
and where you lodge, I will lodge.
Your people shall be my people,
Your people shall be my people,
and your God, my God.
and your God, my God.
I declare you, Grayson, and you, Alexa, husband and wife. And whatsoever God has joined together, let no man ever put asunder. The groom may kiss his bride. Mr. and Mrs. Grayson Bradley Rose.
We fell in love by chance, but today I choose to be your wife. And I will continue to choose you every single day. Where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I'll stay. Who you love, I will love. Your people will be my people. There isn't much in my life that I'm sure of, and I know you can attest to this, but marrying you is the one thing that I've never questioned. Spending my life loving you will be the greatest thing that I'll ever do. I love you with my whole heart.
Oh my gosh.